Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your favorite host James. Have you ever dreamed of the print out your own t-shirts or this hoodie but with your name on it? Today let me introduce an amazing mockup tool which can help you to create your own products and even start your own business. You don't need to have design skills, you don't need to have any AI background. Just watching to the end and you will learn how to create your own products. What are we waiting for? Let's start our journey, okay? Let's go! Today we're going to dive in Modor. The platform contains a free online mockup generator with more than 10,000 designs. Remember the domain if you want to get access, modor.io. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to start your small business in the year 2026, if you want to sell in your t-shirts, this platform is sensational. You got more than 10,000 mockup templates, extensive categories covering apparel, devices, packaging, and billboards. Mockup sizes and style optimized for e-commerce listings and social media content, so that you can use it in anywhere. Always on trend updates across all mockup categories. And how to make the t-shirts and everything, you just drag and drop. And it supports HD export ranging from 2000 pixels to 3000 pixels. That is big enough. So long story come to short, in this platform you can generate mockups across multiple categories. You can design your t-shirt, your sweatshirt, hoodie easily, with your logo on it, of course. And your book, your poster, billboards, and even interfaces. Includes iPhone, MacBook, everything you name it. It's so crazy. And people already start to use it. It is AI-powered mockups in seconds. And when you had your design, you can easily find the contractor to point it out, right? This tool already loved by many, so today I want to share this secret weapon of mine to you, and I hope someday I can purchase one of the t-shirts from you. So first thing first, let's log in, and also you can get started totally for free. Okay, we are landing our dashboard here. So here we have categories, for example, like t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodie, billboard, iPhone, and beneath we have mockups. So when we're hovering, you can see the original mockups, it's with other logos. Oh my god, that's so dope, right? And we even have categories for man, woman, and many more, so that you can find the perfect image for your market. And also you can choose this without the people. And this mountable is really cool. If you have a dozen t-shirts, you can use this template. So let's generate our first t-shirt, but I didn't draw anything. So let's open an AI platform. And I heard Nano Banana 2 is on it, so let's use that. I use Korea with Nano Banana 2 model, and let's type our prompt. Okay, I just generated this, and we can download this image. It's like cool cat with keyboards and all kinds of AI, and also my name, my YouTube channel. Let's go in back, and let's click this girl. Let's click use this mockup, and let's click edit. And now we have it in our canvas. Click edit mockup, click upload, find your image, and just simply click here. And also you can even rotate it and drag it. And here we have a color section. So right now it's like the white shirt. So you can change it to. And also we have advanced. So in advanced, we have 3 different parameters we can tweak. See, it's transform the X to see how it's manipulate the image. And also you can add more shadow. It's amazing. And let's go back. Oh my god, it's so dope, right? And how can we download it? So basically we're created a canvas. So all you need to do is click the download button, and you can choose different format, for example, like JPEG or PNG, for example, PNG. The resolution is very high, and we are easily create this image. Isn't that amazing? And let's just go back. Oh, I also like this. So let's download it first. And this time I might need to use this Figma to help us to do more editing. So first, let's create a frame. And second, select this image, and I want to remove the background. Now we have a transparent image. Alright, I think we have it. Just export it as a PNG and go back to our platform. Oh, we have this on horseman. I want to try this. Just simply click here and edit the mockup. Let's upload our new image. I think this will be fun. Simply click here. Oh my god. And we can change the shirt color. What about these? Oh, snap. That is down. Another image was down. Oh, cool. And let's do something more. For example, and let's try something different. For example, like this bag. Can we do that? Let's click here, edit mockup, and it's down. Nobody told me design can be that simple, right? Oh, maybe we can have something like, and let's edit, choose an image, and it's down. Oh my. And also you can doodle in your own hat. I want to do something like this one. This infinite canvas, I just love it. And let's change the position, change a little bit color. Oh, that's so cute. And you can even duplicate this image and make your variations. And you can delete by clicking this button. That is so dope, man. We just generated so many images at one time. And going back, we can rename this project and we can download all the images at once. You can show your customer, you can show your boss what you just created. Okay. And they're in very high resolution images. This is a perfect tool for our designers. And also it's a very easy tool for non-designer people. I hope you like this platform. I really do. Okay, I guess so much for today. Hope you liked today's tutorial. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe to James Shee's channel.